welcome to my channel. My name is Maya. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did this look here. Very summer friendly, jewel toned, nice vibrant eyeshadow look. If you care to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. Hola! Okay. I always want to start talking like before I do my makeup, but that's a bad habit. Let me just go ahead and start putting the makeup on. Let's just put a few strands back. Put most of the strands back. Alright, so I want super hydrated skin. I already moisturized my skin. I have dry skin, so I make sure I keep my skin moisturized. I've been really on top of my skincare lately. I feel like it's paying off. So I'm gonna spray my face a little bit more to make it even more moisturized. This is just what I had up here in Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. I'm gonna spray my face. Alright, yeah, I guess I'll do my eyebrows first. I'm going to go ahead and use Milk of Magnesia because I need some kind of like mattifying primer that I like to use on my eyelids and also on my eyebrows because, you know, just kind of decrease the oiliness. Oh, that's a lot. Let's just rub. But I love using something that mattifies, and that's what this does a really good job of that. Especially if you have dry skin. Like if you have dry skin, you can use Milk of Magnesia as a good mattifying primer during the summer and the hotter months, or if you're going to be somewhere in a hot climate. But you see, I don't want to fill it in too much. I just want to kind of, I'm still holding it hella hard. I'm still kind of applying a lot of pressure, but I just want to fill in the spots that are sparse. Now to the other side. To carve out my eyebrows, I'm going to use this concealer is closer to my skin tone, you know, during the winter months. So that's what we're going to use. So I like to raise my eyebrow. Carve it out with this brush. Honestly, just doing the carving out, it just creates like that freshly arched brow illusion, which is always nice. And then I'll just take my finger and just blend it out. So I'm gonna use Secure, which is the orange matte shade in the middle of the palette on the bottom. I'm gonna use that as my transition shade. Need some more because my eyelid is sticky. Love orange. You love a summer eye. I'm gonna mix it with Agent, which is the one on the top, because again, just creating that nice transition. Just taking a little bit of shadow and just kind of blending it up just to give me like a nice, you know, gradient, something to fade into, because like I said, I am going to be using the yellow eyeshadow. So it's nice to have a nice neutral gradient. I'm kind of taking the neutral shade all the way up to my brow bone. I think that's good. Blend it out. That's a good place to start. And then I'm gonna take a smaller blending brush and go in with Access, which is the matte yellow shade in this palette. Really kind of get it on my brush. Like I said, my eyelids are sticky and I'm having a hard time moving shadows because they are so sticky. And I'm kind of just gonna like put that right under the orange. I like that. It makes my eye look nice and bright. I like the more just kind of subtle color eyeshadow looks because they seem more wearable than the ones that are like bam pink, bam purple, bam orange, and bam. Like those ones are kind of like, ooh, they're beautiful, but not very wearable. See that? See that? Okay, okay. That good? Let's put some in the tear duct. Let's go ahead and start laying that base right now. We're gonna want to lighten that up. Now for the star of the show. I don't know why. I'm a goofball. And this color is called Coin. Get your coin, honey. Get your coin. And we're gonna use this one. This is the Sonia Kashuk, I don't know, flat eyeshadow brush. yellow with green undertones. So really like yellow, like fool's gold type of yellow. I remember this applied better with your hand. Yep. Oh my god, so much better with your hand. Oh, it's so true to color. Okay, let's go back in with this and kind of blend the edges. Makeup wipes, just wipe off. See that gold? Needs to be wiped off. Wipe that off. Now I'm gonna moisturize my skin again because why not? Let's just spot conceal with the Revlon to counteract the freaking hyperpigmentation. This works very well. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the red shade. I don't know what it's called, but it's like the red one. Wipe some of that off. And I'm gonna let this dry so that way when I put the foundation on, it doesn't just get all over the freaking place. There you go. That's fine. Perfect. Now the sponge is dry, but that's actually good because I'm trying to get some of this crap off anyway. So I'm just gonna tap the sponge into my face, one to kind of sink the pigment into my skin, and to get some extra off with this. All right, so I'm gonna use a little bit of this. Again, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I want to spray the sponge, not my face, the sponge. Full foundation look, here we come. Alright. It's like liquidy AF. Let's just do a little bit. Oh, bro. This brush, which is my favorite to use for concealer, I'm not going to blend it out because I do want to get a little tacky. I do like to let concealer sit because it gets, I don't know, just better when it sits. If I use my hands, it's going to take a lot of the product off, and that's not what we want, not what we're going for. I'm trying to blend it out, not off, and it's going to pounce this into my skin. Beauty blender, a damp beauty blender helps to melt everything into your skin. Now, I don't know if you can see it, but I can see a little bit of darkness peeking through. I'm gonna take that warm tone concealer, grab it on the brush, and kind of press it into my skin. So let's go ahead and do the Airspun powder in the rosy beige shade. Oh my gosh, it's all over the place. Oh my love. Lip. Okay, that's fine. Looking a little bright right now, but we're gonna blend everything out shortly. Another Sonia Kashuk brush and just tap it and put it on. Because this powder does work really well. Like if you just want to use like a primer or your sunblock or your SP, like all your liquid products that you like, your skincare liquid products, and then you want to put this on top, it really does work as a good foundation product that I use to contour. It's also by Black Radiance, and I just hit the the points that I want to contour. Boop. Boop. A little bit here, a little bit here, create that shadow, and then here, and then here around the bottom. And also I like to kind of just circle my nose in. Again, don't do much product on my forehead because forehead's naturally darker. Just because, it's just big and it's out there. So take my brush and applying light pressure on it. Just blending it out. Blending, blending, blending. Blend it back towards your ear. Blend it, blend it, blend it. I see people blend my nose out with my fingers, because again, I like to use my fingers. Alright, I think I'm gonna use Morocco. I'm gonna use that under my lash line. Alright, let's take a little bit more of this coin shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette and kind of mix it underneath. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to tight line and line my waterline with some black eyeliner. Pretty little, just enough to kind of like create the black. Now I'm gonna apply some mascara. I'm going to apply my lashes. Probably can do this off camera. This is just the Kiss lashes in the model Shy. Apply my lashes off camera. This colored liner by Liquid Genius. That my contour. It's a nice shade for contouring for me. And for lips, what I want to do is really pretty. This orange, like it's like a liquid lipstick shade from MAC. It's really old, from like an old collection, but I like it. A pencil from MAC and Cork. My favorite, like I like to use this as a nude right here, but this pencil really does kind of match my natural lips. Ooh. See, it kind of fades out. And then go again with this. I like to, again, pretty much tone it down. The highlight is Sonia Kashuk. It's golden. It's perfect for summer. My favorite highlighter. I'm not even like to highlight. And spray it because it's a little dull looking right now. Ooh, that's what I like. A nice gleaming highlight. Go over this with a brush. It kind of fades everything out. LA Colors Metal to the Max Metallic Lip Gloss. Pretty. Peaches Blush by MAC. Not bad. Can't really even see it. That's good. The wrong brush. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this look. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and of course subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time, guys. Bye for now.